Welcome to The Fleet. Today, it's XC40 versus XC40. You heard that right. We're going over the differences between the gas and electric versions. There are 17 differences here, and a bunch I probably missed. Let's go. On the outside, the badging changes on the exterior are super subtle. Just look at the C-pillar and the tailgate. It's nice that the car doesn't have any shouty decals, regardless of model. Now the front grille is closed off on the electric model and open on the gas model. Which do you prefer? Under the hood, you have the engine, duh, on the gas XC40, while the electric one has the front electric motor, but also makes room for a small but useful front compartment. Now under the rear floor of the Recharge, you do have a little extra storage space compared to the R design, but you do have to give up a couple of things. One is the side cargo strap, and the rear seat release buttons. These are a nice feature in earlier model years. Going over to the R design, let's take a look underneath the floor. Nice and square, but not as much room. On the side, we have the stretchy cargo strap, and the seat release buttons. Speaking of buttons, are you looking for the start-stop button? You won't find it on the electric model. Gas versions only. Earlier model gas versions have paddle shifters for the transmission. No such luck on the electric one, even to control regen levels. The shifter park button on the electric XC40 is bigger and clickier than the one on the gas version. Not much more to say about that, so we'll pet the dog real quick. Good puppy. The gas version has a drive mode button on the dash. The electric version has something that looks like a button, but does nothing. Staying inside, the R design has a secret storage cubby under the driver's seat, and vibrant orange carpet available. Not so much on either count with the electric Recharge. Let's take a look at those lovely wires and charcoal carpet. Fueling up is done on opposite sides when comparing the two versions. Passenger side gas door on the R design, and driver side charging port on the Recharge. For ground clearance, we're looking at 8.3 inches for gas and 6.9 inches for electric. The wheel and tire setup is different as well. The gas has a square setup and the electric is staggered. This T5 gas version has adequate power, but the Recharge is a rocket ship. Over thousands of miles with 60% city, 40% highway, we can go 200 miles on electric and 290 on gas. That's it. See you next time.